हेलो बच्चों, स्वागत है आप सभी का मेरे चैनल श्री राम एडुटॉक्स पर। आज की क्लास में हम सीखने वाले हैं क्लास 9 सर्कल से जुड़ी सभी इंपॉर्टेंट थ्योरम्स और प्रॉपर्टीज के बारे में। यकीन मानिए, अगर आप ये थ्योरम्स एक बार अच्छे से सीख लेते हैं, समझ लेते हैं, तो फिर आप इस चैप्टर से जुड़े कोई भी क्वेश्चन को आसानी से कर पाएंगे। तो चलिए शुरुआत करते हैं। हमारी सबसे पहली थ्योरम इस चैप्टर की है दैट इफ टू कॉर्ड्स आर इक्वल देन दे सबटेंड equal angles at the center. So if I am given that two chords AB and CD are equal, then I can say that angle subtended by them at the center, that is AOB, is equal to angle COD. ओके, आगे बढ़ते हैं। हमारी नेक्स्ट थ्योरम जो कि इसका कन्वर्स है states that if angle subtended by two chords at the center are equal, then the chords are also equal. So now if angle AOB is equal to angle COD, then I can say that chord AB is also equal to chord CD. So it is the converse of first theorem. The third theorem. Now it states that, it is a very important theorem. It states that the perpendicular drawn from the center of a circle onto a chord bisects it. Perpendicular drawn from the center of a circle. So suppose if OM is perpendicular drawn from center to chord AB, then it will bisect the chord. Yani AM becomes equal to BM. Now, fourth theorem is converse of third theorem. It states that if a line is drawn from the center to a chord bisecting it, then this line must be perpendicular to the chord. So if I am now given AM equal to BM, then this line OM must be perpendicular to the chord AB. Okay, moving ahead, theorem number 5. Again, it is a very important theorem. It states that equal chords are equidistant from the center. That means if I am given two chords AB and CD to be equal, then I can say that they are equidistant from the center. That means OM is equal to ON. Now, here it is important to note that equidistant का मतलब है perpendicular distance. So when we talk of distance, it is always perpendicular distance. So if two chords are equal, then they are equidistant, means O to M is equal to O to N. Okay. Now theorem number 6 is converse of theorem number 5. It states that if two chords are equidistant from the center, then the chords also must be equal. यानी कि अब हमें गिवन है OM is equal to OM. If OM equal to ON, that means the two chords AB and CD are equidistant already from the center, then I can say that these two chords are also equal. So chords which are equidistant from the center are equal in length. Okay, now theorem number 7. Now this is one of the most important theorem in this chapter. Let's see what it says. It says that the angle subtended by an arc at the center is double the angle subtended by the same arc at any other point on the remaining circle. So you can see I have drawn this arc PQ and except this arc बाकी बचा हुआ रिमेनिंग सर्कल ये आप देख सकते हैं डॉटेड मैंने बनाया हुआ है. तो इफ ये आर्क सेंटर पे एंगल पीओ क्यू बना रहा है तो यही आर्क बाकी बचे हुए सर्कल पे आप कहीं भी कोई पॉइंट अगर लें, जैसे मैंने आर पॉइंट यहां लिया है, तो यही आर्क इस पॉइंट पे जो एंगल सबटेंड करेगा दैट विल बी हाफ ऑफ दिस, और इन अदर वर्ड्स एंगल पीओ क्यू इज डबल ऑफ एंगल पी आर क्यू. So angle POQ is double of angle PRQ. Very important. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Theorem number 8. Now this theorem is about segments. So as you can see, PQ here is an arc, and if you join PQ then it becomes a chord, and this becomes one of the segment, and बाकी जो unshaded circle है this becomes another segment. So this theorem says that angle subtended in the same segment of a circle are equal. So angle subtended in the same segment, so this is the same segment we are talking about. Angle PAQ is one of the angle subtended in the upper segment and is equal to angle PBQ. The angle subtended in the same segment of a circle are equal in measure. Now, theorem number 9, which is actually a property, it states that angle in a semicircle. So as you can see, O is the center, AB is a chord, AB is a diameter. So AB is actually dividing the circle in two equal semicircles. So if we see the below semicircle, then this angle is the angle made by the semicircle, angle made in the semicircle. So this theorem says that angle made in the semicircle is always a right angle. So angle ACB is equal to 90 degree. Right. Now last two theorems are upon cyclic quadrilateral. Now cyclic quadrilateral, as we know, is a quadrilateral whose all four vertices lie on the circle. So here ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral, and the theorem says that the sum of either pair of opposite angles is supplementary, that means 180 degree. So in a cyclic quadrilateral, either pair, that is A and C का sum 180 degree, as well as angle B and D का भी sum 180 degree. The sum of either pair of opposite angle is supplementary. Right. Last theorem, theorem number 11, is the converse of 10th theorem. But there is a very important point to note, that this theorem states if sum of a pair, so if sum of a pair of angles is 180 degree, that means either A plus C का सम 180 आप शो करें, या दूसरा पेयर B plus D. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, आपको दोनों पेयर का सम 180 नहीं शो करना है. इफ वन ऑफ द पेयर का सम इज 180 डिग्री, देन ABCD must be cyclic. ABCD is cyclic. So you have to show any one pair of opposite angle का sum to be 180 degree to show that ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. ओके बच्चों, सो आज की क्लास में केवल इतना ही. आई होप आपने सभी थ्योरम्स अच्छे से सीख ली होंगी. मिलते हैं अगली क्लास में. टिल देन, टेक केयर, गुड बाय, एंड यस, कीप वॉचिंग श्री राम एडू टॉक्स. गुड बाय.